Hi everyone, it's Sue, and welcome to day 6 of my 12 Christmas movie themed collaborations. Now last week, I did a Wacky Wednesday challenge with Indy Annie Jones where we had to create a project in the theme of the movie Elf using 6 different suggested items by you, the subscriber. So if you missed that and you want to see how we made out, click on the link above. So if you're interested in joining my open Christmas movie collaborations, check out the description box below. There you will find the list of 12 movies that I have chosen, the dates in which to upload them, and the hashtag you need to put in your title so that everyone can find them. Let me know when you upload your video. I'll put it in a special playlist and I will shout out your channel. So go ahead, check it out. All the instructions are below. So today's movie, in case you haven't guessed, has to do with our favorite mouse. It's Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas, which is actually 3 little short Disney films centered around Christmas. So I have incorporated that into my marker drawing that I did today. So if you want to see my tribute to Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas, let's get started. So first, some belated shout outs for the Elf Project. Tips with Mrs. T, Yarn Necklaces, Jujubee's Crafts and More, Birdznest, the Primrose Fairy, and Elevated Intuition. Now for Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas, a Dollar Tree Mimi's World, Leigh's Art Studio, Tablescape Diva, Tutu's Crafty Kreations, Tips with Mrs. T, and Brooke Fasil. Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas is actually a 1999 film by Walt Disney, direct-to-video, and is narrated by Kelsey Grammer. It actually is 3 different short videos in one. So I thought I would take an image from each one of the short videos and put them in a circle, and put those 3 circles together in the form of a Mickey Mouse. So the first video is Donald Duck Stuck on Christmas, and it's inspired by the 1892 short story Christmas Every Day by William Dean Howells, where Huey, Dewey, and Louie wake up Christmas morning and wish it could be Christmas every day. They soon learn to regret that wish. At the end of the movie, the boys finally realize the true meaning of Christmas, and the time loop ends, leading into the day after Christmas. The second video, A Very Goofy Christmas, finds Goofy and his son Max ready to mail out their letter to Santa. However, Pete, the nasty neighbor, tells Max that Santa doesn't exist, and Goofy is trying to cheer up his son with his old teddy bear, ensuring him that Santa Claus indeed actually does exist. He knows this for a fact because every year Goofy asks Santa for the same thing, Max's happiness, and every year he gets it. The final episode is Mickey and Minnie's Gift of the Magi, based on the 1905 short story by O. Henry with the same name. Mickey wants to get Minnie a gold chain for her one heirloom, her watch, so he sells his beloved harmonica to buy her the chain. Minnie wants to get Mickey the perfect gift, a case for his beloved harmonica, so she sells her one expensive item, her watch. So the gifts are essentially useless. However, the thought behind each gift is what counts. With all 3 scenes complete and in the shape of Mickey Mouse, I decided to do the background black. Then using a white gel pen, I put some stars around it to make a reverse Mickey silhouette. I hope you enjoyed my tribute to Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas, and check out all of the other talented YouTubers who took part in this collaboration. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.